Sterling Coilmaster Jr. is designed to maximize production while minimizing changeover time. In the last segment, you saw 4 different sized books being bound with changeovers lasting just a few seconds. Here's how it's done. To change the diameter of the book, turn the book dial and the diameter setting. They are numbered for efficiency. To change the knife height, turn the knife dial. Changing the height of the coil is accomplished by turning one knob. That's it. A complete changeover can be accomplished in less than a minute. Bind books with slim margins or healthy margins. Bind books with round or oval holes. Bind books with any pitch. Great for binderies with long runs or digital printers with short runs. The Coilmaster Jr. will bind up to 500 books per hour. Just watch.